pre-highs of day 20,099.75. We have midnight open 20,055.25. 8:30 open 19,996, and we have pre-lows at 19,965.75. I'm trying to add power of 3 to my edge and pool of strategies. Right now, 15-minute orb is a fantastic weapon for me to use to get profits, put it in my pocket. And I believe power of 3 only adds to that. It's very powerful. I can swing it. I can hold my potential profits longer and let it run. I'll probably be looking for either 3R or targeting back midnight open. So right now for power of 3 analysis, I definitely want it below 8:30 open right here. So all of these times right here, I definitely want it to come knock out all these buyers here, maybe even tag the pre-market lows and then rip back up. Other than that, I'm gonna wait for the orb blows. I'm gonna be waiting for what the orb tells me, and then we'll trade from there. The only time power of 3 fails is if there's an extreme breakout, which definitely fits the orb. So either way, I'm going to be coming up on top, and I think these two strategies complement each other nicely. In terms of other news, at time of this stream, ES was at negative 0.76, NQ was at negative 0.94, VIX was at 24, and we have 10 a.m. news today. So definitely will be holding my orb entries until after 10 a.m. So we're just going to be chilling, we're going to be waiting. We're also going to be doing 3 contracts because I got myself out of the hole. So we're just going to be passing this combine, and then we'll also be going from there. guess hindsight looking back, that these higher lows should have been an indication and right here when it was consolidating that it was about to rip. But it's my first day of putting real money into the power of three, so I definitely wanted a hell of a better entry. So it's all right. On to the next trade. Always another opportunity, and we have 10 a.m. news. If it's not, inviting me to trade, if the criterias are not present, why bother? I'm in no rush. I don't have to force anything, and no trade means also a win in the day. So let's see. We are also still within the range of the pre-highs and pre-lows, so I think I'll successfully tag here, but will it reverse and tag it again? That's to be determined. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. What I would like to see on the 5-minute chart, a huge wick, something similar to this, and then we can have a excellent risk reward. One trade, one contract, one micro. Oh, beautiful. Love that. Oh man, extinguishing all the longs. 50-point move. 50-point move in 3 minutes. From power of three analysis, there's no way you could have predicted that move. You can't just take a random VWAP bounce. That's kind of as my analysis and chart price action analysis evolved. kind of ignoring VWAP, the moving averages. Now I'm just looking at key levels, but the trend is there. That's what I'm looking for, seeing where it is on it. But as a level of bouncing, I'm going to use the history of the bars to guide me there. Okay, 10 a.m. news, still not going to be taking an orb trade, but if it does present something nice down here, I won't hesitate to pull a power of 3 trade, one contract. This was a potential long entry, but based off the 1 minute, I could have entered here, but I was looking at something else, and then now here, this makes no sense in terms of where it should be for risk reward point of view. So no trade. Let's say it did chop around here. That may have been something for me to get it on, but from 1 minute and a rip up, no, thank you. But love the volatility. Oh man, love this. 50 points, 70, 80 points. Love this. Love this. I guess the 9:45 news ripped it back within the range of orb highs and orb lows. Still, if you zoom out, still in ICT language and accumulation, but sideways at the moment in between the high orb highs and orb lows. Overall, slightly bullish sentiment in my opinion. We had this strong move up, left a huge umbrella tail, umbrella top wick right here. It tried to go down, but immediately bought back up. So I really think it's gonna be a breakout to the upside. We'll see. Oh man, ideally it stays under the orb highs as a close. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Ideally it chops around here, news brings it up, there's a pullback and we can take a long entry. That would be ideal. I'm also not opposed to it if it does rip higher with no pullback entry. I won't take a trade today. It just moved way too fast. No need to get greedy. Always another trading day. Protect your capital, protect your profits, and follow your system. Perfect. Fantastic. Good, good, good. Staying underneath the orb highs. This is a bullish candle for me. Very bullish. Oh, yes. Great. Good, good, good. A super nice entry would be if news drops it and we see something along the lines of wicks being bought up with strong buying pressure. That would be even better, because then I think that it should come back up and tag the orb highs again, or the midnight open level. We'll wait and see. Oof. Yeah, this is why you don't chase these breakouts, especially this candle. That made no sense. Yep, now it's creating a 1 minute fair value gap. I don't think it's strong enough to bounce it back up. So, back to the lows we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, very surprised. This is a higher low. Still bullish. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. All right. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. respect on the 1 minute fair value gap. But on the 5 minute chart, this looks very, very bearish. Eat the tail. But I wouldn't be surprised if it does one of these. 5 more minutes, and then we can see if it will break above the orb highs. Okay, good. If it hovers around here, 10 a.m. news makes a rip, then we'll look for a pullback. That would be what we would be looking for. How high? Okay, just a 20,100. We'll see how tight our stops are. But I'm looking to see if we can get $200 of risk. Exactly what I was looking for on the 1 minute chart. Keep it going, keep it going. On the 1 minute chart, it looks like a head and shoulders formation that's about to happen, but let's see what happens. Momentum indicator is showing strong bullish sentiment, so I won't disagree with that. I am also bullish as well, and any pullback definitely will be an entry criteria depending on my levels and what price action does. Okay, breaking above the range. Ideal scenario, data brings us back for a pullback and a rip up. But if it rips even higher, it's a mistrade. Just a news event. And we'll wait for a pullback then to see if we can get one. But if not, oh well. On to the next day. Oh man, rip! What a great news scandal. 20 points, 30 points, 40 points just off the rip. Ideally on the 5-minute candle it looks like a topping tail, but oh man, oof, excellent. I have another entry criteria here on the pre-market highs. That's how I know I'm really bullish. But oh man, love this. Oof, yeah, there we go. There we go. Stay patient, wait for the pullback. Oh yeah. If this still is if this is still large and green, we'll wait for the next 5 minutes for a pullback about 50% and then have the rip up. Oh, beautiful. Here's the pullback we're looking for. Ideally 50% here or even 50% here. I can use my momentum indicators to see whether or not how drastic the selling momentum is. So, well, this is excellent. This is very excellent. Still think it wants to pull back some more. I'm in no rush. Let's wait for the close here, and then I just have the funniest of feelings that the next candle is where I should be taking entries, and if not that one, the following candle. So we're in no rush. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, have a good entry with what price action is telling me. We'll go from there. Oh man, it gave back all of the move. Okay, I definitely want to see what happens right now. Definitely want to see. Definitely interested. If it respects these lows here, I'm looking for 50% retracement, but that's a hell of a sell. eat the tail happening on this 1 minute chart. Oh yeah, let's see if it can retest here. Okay, good. Definitely looking for a bounce here. Let's see what happens if it can undo this move. That would be very good. Okay, close to the close of the 10-10 candle. I might take an entry, of course. Stop loss is here. 30 points. Okay, keep going. Oh, that's not a confident candle for me. I think it definitely wants to go lower. Let it retest it. Yeah, something looked very fishy with how the news shaped this candle. Okay, I can wait for the close of this one. Eat the tails. Oh, here we go. Oof. We'll keep waiting. I didn't like how these candles looked. guys. Okay, let's get an entry in. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I like that candle. Oh man, right back down. I like some of these candles. This is good. Oh yeah, great, good, good, good. Do a retest for me. Oh yeah, great, good, good, good. Waiting for a bounce on my momentum indicators. But right now, I still see it being very, very. Oh yeah, love that. Where do I want it to test? Ideally, I want it to test these. Okay, above. Testing 1 minute VWAP, testing 5 minute VWAP. Okay, okay. If it's not an ideal candle, I don't have to trade. Okay, small doji. Oof. Bearish momentum, eat the tail. Don't like the way that candle formed. See if we can close above. Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh man. I'll adjust my risks, but then otherwise we'll be good to go. Yeah, let's get about 230 dollars worth of risk here. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's my trade, guys. I entered in on the bounce up here, but it looks like it's failing. Alright, let's see where it takes us. Oh, let it rip. Let it rip. All my indicators are very bullish. I think it can go. I think it can go. Of course, the first test here is 1,100. But for me, is that 1R right here? I think that would be 1R. So, because I trade breakouts, I definitely think it can go a little higher. So, we'll just keep it right here. It's still respecting the May 2nd highs. So, we'll see. We'll see. Currently, I have no emotions right now for taking a little over 0.5R. In the past, last 2 days, when it does go above 2R, I do get some emotions, but at the moment, nothing right now. If it goes against me, it goes against me. I have my entry, I have my risk. No amount of wiggling or finessing is gonna change my stop loss, my entry. I take what I can, wiggle my stop loss and my take profit, but my entry is my entry already, so I already made my analysis. It's all about waiting to see whether or not the levels get hit or not. Oh, a lower high, but I definitely think this wants to rip up. No, never mind. We'll wait and see.
The market is open.
Whoa, what was that? Oh my goodness. What was that? That was scary. Oh my gosh, if that's not bullish, if that's not a bullish signal, I don't know what is. Let's eat the tail. I think it'll come all the way down here. It might be close. It might be close to tagging us out, but hey, the decision was made already to enter this position. I have my stop loss predefined, my take profits predefined. I'm happy with the outcome. So let's see what the price action does. Still some higher lows all around. So just about okay. This is a new 5-minute candle. Oh man, on the 1 minute chart, respecting VWAP, but testing it very often, so that looks almost like an L trade, but at the same time, still not breaking pre-market highs. The one retest here, and then immediately shut down. Even this one didn't even reach above 2100, and it immediately went down. So I don't know if smart money knows that everyone wants to go short, so it's not letting it, or if everybody is thinking long and it's just chopping people up within this 50-point range. We had a little bit of a move up, and now we're ranging in between here, 2100 and 2040. What are my thoughts at the moment? I think this is an L trade, but I have to take it in the system. Jay Dunn talked about a reverse orb. I can see here at 1020 closing below the orb highs. Does that invalidate the trade? Maybe if I get stopped out, I can take a go back to the notes, do some analysis. I think he's talking about here the reverse orb where it closes below the highs, and then he had a really tight stop. But essentially, if this happens here, there's a 40-point stop for me, 50 points. But honestly, 1020, I'll say. This looks super bullish though. I mean, it already ate the tail. I honestly looks like it really wants to go down, but I wouldn't be surprised if it rips up. Maybe 100 points too early. Maybe I should take profits at 2R. But if it stops me out, can't take profits either way.
Order filled.
Okay. So I see entry criteria for the reverse orb. I got stopped at 1033. That's -1 R. I think I'm done for today. Gonna close the live stream early, but that's an interesting reverse orb entry. So 1020, Jaden sees the close below orb highs, did the retest up, and then it rips down. Okay, but of course you have so many levels below, so I can see where if the stop loss is tight, it makes sense for a 2-3 hour trade, maybe even more if there's more downside. Okay, all right. Well, gonna keep the stream open for a little bit, see if there's anything else that interests me. But the orb trades are done. Now it's scalping mode. Gonna post my result of my one loss of the day. No more trades, and we'll live to trade another day. Didn't take a re-entry because as it tagged me out here 1033, it went even lower and tagged out the 2010s before ripping higher. The price action is just too messy on the 5-minute chart. We had a huge 5-minute close down. Oh man, what a rip! Yeah, price action is super messy. Maybe this is the entry. Maybe this was the round 2 entry, but it's already too late for me. Got tagged out right here. Okay, just seeing where I could have potentially entered. Got tagged out here. Maybe on the upswing here at 20, 30 points. Because it still didn't conquer all of this umbrella motion. think the reverse orb would be too much. Yeah, maybe today wasn't a great day for breakout. Right now it's just up, down, up, down, up, down. And also underneath the pre-market highs of 2100. Pretty strong level, only tested it once for today. Does it want to retest here is the question. There's a lot. There's just too much past data that tells me what's stopping it from going all the way back down here. 60 points. And it doesn't have higher highs. Yeah, I'll trade another day. That'll be my one trade of the day. Power of 3, it hasn't retested the 830. Open. Just this one candle right here with a wick down. Oh man, now it rips. Now it rips. Sweep and rip. This closes green. If it closes green above here, they're in business. Oh, still green. Love that topping tail. Push up. Push up. Nice. I think it'll still close green. Yep, 15 more seconds to close green. Oh wow, I'm surprised. Very surprised. Oh man. Oh, what a 20-point move. Yeah, too messy. One red close, one green close, one red close, one green close, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red. Is this potentially two greens or will it be another red? Yeah, because this is the first time I ever had a close here. No more trades. Alright, closing up the live stream. Catch you guys tomorrow. Leave me comments, likes, feedback, requests, anything you like to see more of. But otherwise, have a great Monday. Have a great May 5th. And hopefully you locked in some profits and obeyed by your system for today's Monday trading session.